Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancies in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is from Rashtriya Chemical and Fertilizers Limited. Name of post is Assistant Officer Finance. Here the qualification asked is BCom with minimum 55% marks along with either a CA Inter or CMA Inter degree, then only eligible. Upper age limit is 30 years. There are 9 vacancy. Place of posting is in Maharashtra. And these are permanent vacancies. You need to have 3 years of experience. A per month pay scale will be in the range of 30,000 to 1,20,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 7th October 2024. Friends, before you move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses covering the technical syllabus of your examination, and we are keep on adding new courses for preparation. So visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of your course and start your preparation. And in case you wish to prepare for non-technical syllabus, especially the reasoning part, then visit PSU Exam Prep website. There we are offering video lecture course on reasoning topic for your PSU examination. Website link and coupon code is mentioned in the description. You can check them. I wish you all the best for your examination. And next vacancy is from ECGC Limited. Name of post is probationary officer. Here the qualification asked is graduation. Upper age limit is 30 years. There are 40 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, these are permanent vacancies, no prior experience asked. A per month pay scale will be in the range of 53,600 to 1,02,090. Mode of application is online and last date is 13th October 2024. Friends, next vacancy is from Indian Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Limited. The name of post is Chief Financial Officer or General Manager Finance. Qualification asked is either a CA or a CMA. Upper age limit is 61 years. Friends, is a senior management post. Number of vacancies is 1. Place of posting is in Gurgaon. It's a contractual job. You need to have 15 years of experience. Gross per month pay will be 70,000. Mode of application is offline and last date is 26th October 2024. And next vacancy is again from Indian Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Limited. Name of post is Executive Finance. Here the qualification asked is either a BCom or a MCom candidate. Upper age limit is 35 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is Gurugram. Nature of employment is contractual. You need to have 2 years of experience. Per month pay will be 22,000 to 25,000. Mode of application is offline and last date is 26th October 2024. The next vacancy is from Hooghly Coaching Shipyard Limited. Name of post is Deputy Manager Finance. The qualification asked is graduation along with either a CA or a CMA. Upper age limit is 35 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is in West Bengal. Hence it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 7 years of experience in PSU, engineering company, commercial organization or government or semi-government establishment. Gross per month pay will be 1,03,400. Mode of application is online and last date is 24th October 2024. And next vacancy is from Indian Institute of Technology Bhilai. Name of post is Junior Accounts Officer. The qualification asked is either a MCom, MBA Finance, SAS passed candidate or a CA, CMA with 55% marks or bachelor's degree in commerce with minimum 55% marks. Upper age limit is 35 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is in Chhattisgarh. This is a permanent vacancy. You need to have 3 years of experience in central, state and other organizations and 9-year experience required for graduate candidates. Package per annum will be 7.3 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 21st October 2024. And next vacancy is again from Indian Institute of Technology Bhilai. Name of post is Junior Assistant. Here the qualification asked is bachelor's degree with minimum 55% marks. Upper age limit is 30 years. There are 9 vacancy. Place of posting is in Chhattisgarh. Friends, is a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. A package will be 4.5 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 21st October 2024. The next vacancy is from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Institute of Technology, Jalandhar. Name of post is Assistant Registrar. Here the qualification asked is master's degree with minimum 55% marks. Desirable is that you should be either a CA or a CMA. Upper age limit is 35 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is in Punjab. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. A package will be 13 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 24th October 2024. And friends, your hard copy should reach their office by 4th November 2024. Next vacancy is from Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. Name of post is Administrative Assistant. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 55% marks. Upper age limit is 43 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is in Mumbai. Fans, is a permanent vacancy. You need to have 5 years of experience in accounts, purchases, stores, general admin, etc. Per month salary will be 68,058. Mode of application is online and last date is that your hard copy should reach their office by 26th October 2024. And next vacancy is again from Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. The name of post is Administrative Assistant. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 50% marks. Upper age limit is 28 years. There are 2 vacancy. Place of posting is in Mumbai. France is a permanent vacancy. You need to have 1 year of experience in clerical duties. Per month salary will be 43,809. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last vacancy. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do share with your friends and family whom you think that these vacancies might be useful, and I will see you all in the next week with the latest updates. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.